on, Nevada. I thought I'd make a short video on what this place looks like in the shoulder season, seasons in between seasons. Some people call it mud season. So I have little cabins that I have either built or that I've been working on to improve them, that I rent out for vacation rentals or retreats. And this is the first one right here by the gate. I call it the La Luna, after my wonderful old dog that's no longer with us. It's probably the most popular one of it all because it has a great access to the forests back there. There's my cabin. My garden. It's in hibernation right now. Definitely have spring fever. I can't wait to start working in there again. I've got a lot of hops right here, and a grape plant that's doing okay. This garden's getting a lot more shade than it used to. But I built all those cedar beds out of recycled, I guess they're called log. When you do logging, you run the log through the mill, and these are the sides that they cut off, which is great for lasting. Cedar's a really good material for that. This whole property is run on the spring, which is right under that bump right there. It used to just be a puddle on the ground with a few water snakes swimming around in it. When I got here, that's all there was. I didn't have water into my cabin, and yeah, it was, I was very enthusiastic